destructive here in this house. I pray fire over this house. I pray calamity over this house. No one will steal my child and get away with it. No one will steal my daughters and get away with it. I pray fire over this house. Fire in this street. May calamity come in this street until my children are brought back to their borders. May this street never sleep. May they be dashed to pieces. I am the mother of Charo. I am the mother of Chaka. Uno, you shall die a painful death. Uno, you shall die a painful death. Oh, you racists of this street, racially abusing my girls, you shall die. You shall be dashed to pieces. You shall die. All of you shall die. Charo, I am here. Father, I am here. Anyone who has abused you shall die a painful death. Uno, you shall rot and die.
Kubala.
In his way. I'm done, my lord.
Nice work.